Perhaps the most important short-term issue taking place is the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, concerns around other state-chartered banks in the US, and more recently the need for Credit Suisse to be effectively bailed out by the Swiss Central Bank. Our strategy has never invested in a bank in all of its 25 years because it avoids, firstly, companies that are highly economically sensitive, that tend to have their earnings affected by difficult economic conditions. And also we avoid leveraged business models. Anyway, banks are inherently leveraged animals. They lend out much more than they take in deposits. And at times like this, where you've seen a massive change in the way economies are being managed at the moment, a huge change in the interest rate environment in the last year or so, it's perhaps not surprising to see more economically sensitive companies, such as banks, being affected by that one way or the other. And it's in this kind of period that strategies like ours very strongly outperform. So one company that's been performing well year to date has been Booking Holdings, which is up 19% year to date. That reflects a big increase in the volumes of people traveling, a recovery of travel volumes to a level above where they were pre-pandemic, i.e. in 2019. Another company that's been performing well is Illumina, which has seen the arrival of an activist shareholder trying to persuade the company to divest of an acquisition that it made 2 years ago, which has been dilutive to shareholders. Another company that's performed reasonably well year to date is Novo Nordisk, and that is despite the fact that there have been announcements of big price reductions in the price of insulin, which is one of its key products. For a long time, insulin has been the less important part of what Novo does. Its fortunes are driven much more now by what are called GLP-1s, which are an alternative solution for diabetics, and also by weight loss drugs such as Ozempic. Tomorrow is actually Adora Day at GuardCap Asset Management, and it's a remarkable day because it will be the day on which the 100th Dora Day paper will be presented to the investment teams. And one of the papers focuses on what Dora has taught us so far. There's an enormous amount of information contained in these papers, as you can imagine, but perhaps some of the key areas have been in sustainability, areas like geoengineering, green hydrogen, solar power, nuclear fusion, and technology, papers such as digital currencies, edge computing, the metaverse, quantum computing, which have enabled us to keep our thinking current in those kinds of areas. Dora Days have also led to specific investment ideas. For example, a paper on the emerging middle class led us to invest in Young China, and a paper on personalized nutrition ultimately led us to invest in a company called Christian Hansen.